This is it. Good luck.
What? You're not coming?
Hey, deal was I get you to Cripp, you give me meat. Didn't say anything about me going into that, freaky wolf show.
But I thought you and me...
I told you.
Yeah. You work alone. Got it. Typical dog.
Yes! No way! This is way too easy.
Oops. What? It's fake? No.
Oh, you pink little hooligan! What have you... What in the waffle?
That ring's mine!
What are you? Let's have a little look-see, shall we? Hush, puppy! We just want to see what flavour canine you are. Say hello to our guest, Scoops.
Huh?
Hey there, pal!
Just do what he says. He's cuckoo.
Huh? Oh. Let me go! Oopsie! Oh, I'm sorry. Let's give you a little scan. It won't hurt a bit. Oops! Wrong button. Do you know why I got into ice cream? For the friends. Everyone loves the ice cream man, right? Wrong. It's the delicious cones they come for. Not me. No one ever asks Foxwell Cripp about his day. The night I saw that boy get eaten, I figured, finally, people would start paying attention to me.
No one got eaten! I am that boy!
I tried to warn them, but they wouldn't listen, would they? No! They called me Flakehead and Cuckoo Cripp and Foxwell Farty Poop Scoop. But I'll expose the werewolf pack if it's the last thing I do. And then we'll see who Mr. Popular is. Sweet Neapolitan! According to my Lupometric analysis, you're one scoop poodle, one scoop boy, and one wolf? Who owns you? Oh, you devil! Scoops, heads up!
Huh? What? Ooh, what do we have here?
We're closed!